Sometimes people judge the way we love without knowing the pain we carry inside. They only see silence, but they never hear the heart beating behind it. And even when the whole world changes, my heart still chooses always you. Late at night, me stop one piece. Rain outside, tá sol, me no sabe sleep. Every memory still stop long mind. Your voice still echo every time. People talk, but they never know how deep this kind of love can grow. Behind my smile, there's hidden scars. Still me looking you long, oh, get the stars. Maybe time pulled us far away. Maybe pride made the words no stay. But inside my soul, one thing is true. No matter what, we're still loving you. Always you. Even when the nights grow cold. Always you. Even when our story is old. Me no like you, not a bella. Heart belong me, em sabe tá solo you. Before you judge me, feel me first. Cause my forever, always you. Long seaside meeting him you yet. Old school days, now memories me no sabe forget. The way you smile long afternoon light made broken days feel so right now. Now distance putting wall between us, but your love still stop long every dream. People think say me move on now, but deep inside me no sabe how. Sometimes silence hurts the most, like talking to somebody's ghost. But every prayer me sabe pray still ends with the name of you. Always you. Even when the world moves fast, oh, always you. Even when the pain still lasts. Me no like you, not a bella. Spirit belong me, em sabe long you. Before you judge me, feel me first. Cause my forever, always you. If love was easy, everybody would survive it. But real love leaves fingerprints on the soul. And no matter where life carries us, some hearts never truly leave each other. Always you. Till the stars fall from the sky. Oh, always you. Till the oceans all run dry. Sometimes I talk to heaven when nights gets too long. Before you judge me, feel me first. Cause my forever, always you. We still wait, even if you no come back. Because some love stories never really end.